Okay, make sure that your page relatively looks like this for right now. You've got two symbols and you've got your name and loves. Up in the title tag, you've got your last name, love this. And then you have the titles or in all caps, places that I love. And you'll have three sentences here, songs that I love, people and animals, websites, hobbies that I love, goals, and quotes. Okay, and you've changed your background color. You have a horizontal rule here. That's where you should be at first. And if you're not there, please go watch the first part of the video so that you're there. Okay, we had some paragraph tags, the horizontal rule, the H1 tag. We had some symbols here. There's code for symbols, and we use the style tag. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit more styling. Before we do that, make sure you have three sentences here about places that you love, and then under songs that you love, put, three songs that you love. If you can't think of some, then you can always just look them up or whatnot. I'm going to go to my library. But put something here, just text. You're going to have to do a break after each of these, right? So, because I want them on different pages. So do a break, or what your next song is, a break, and then do that. What you can do is copy, so you have the breaks there and you don't have to do that. Copy and paste, change the name of the songs, paste, change. So three different songs. And then you're going to have people, can have just be people or people and animals that I love. So, just type the names of them for right now. So, family, I'm going to just paste and change these. So just paste. So family, friends, whatever you want to put here. It could be just animals. My dog, my cat, my chipmunk, whatever it is. And then put three different websites, three different hobbies, three goals, and you can wait on the quotes. Those are going to be images, okay? Okay, so where I wanted you to be is to have, let me just make this a little smaller, just put some content in there. So you have three sentences with breaks about, full sentences about places that you love and why. Songs that you love, just having three different songs that you love and who they're by. People or animals and people. Family, friends, and dog is mine. You can have individual people. It doesn't matter. These are separated by breaks. Websites that I love, I've got, in my case, just listed. Amazon for shopping, Pinterest for crafts, Netflix for entertainment. List some hobbies that you love. Just list them with breaks. Goals that you love. And under quotes that you love, I told you didn't have to have anything right there. So that's where you should be for just a second. And then that's where you should be. Okay, so I entered what my main things that I'm going to add below here are, like for content. But I'm going to give myself some more space, so I'm going to enter another break here, another break, another break, another break, so that there's space in between these. So go ahead and add those. I'll pause, add those, and then come back. Okay, so now yours should look like this. You've got these categories. I'm going to put the places that I love. Underneath that. Okay, and then, so I have that underneath there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add more to our style tag. And so if you go up here in your head tag, we're going to go and then we're going to go H2. We're going to do color :red. Font style, we'll go EM. Background - color, it would be white. Okay, background color white. Okay, and then your heading 1 tags are still going to be your title. And then we are going to do all of these. Let's do, we're going to go to your main headings. Let's do this. And you're going to do H2. And then we're going to close H2. Okay. I'm just going to copy that so I don't have to keep doing it over and over again. So we're going to go to this, to songs, this to people, this to websites, this to hobbies, this to goals, and this to quotes. Okay? And then you're going to close the H2 tag. Make sure you close it right after the ones that you opened. Close here. Okay. So save that and refresh, and that will put those with a background. We put a background color of white. In this case, you can change the background color if you want. We did the font style is EM. And then we did the all of the H2 tags then will be that. Okay, so if you need to pause this, go back. This was there you can mess around with the background color. Just don't, make it look nice, but you could use a hex code there if you want. You can refresh. That's annoying, so I'm going to change it back to white. So you save that, file save, and there. Okay, so you only have to change it once if you want to change something, which is nice for the style rules. So finish that, and then you'll go on to part 3.